Hi, this is Jenna, and this is going to be my cat playing with his little laser. This laser. Okay. Alright, here we go. Kitty. Oh, I'm going to get ya. Come here, Dot. Well, where'd it go? I just... Oh. There it is. Oh. Oh. What?
Wait, can I see what movies are out?
Go on the internet and type in Fandango.
Fandango?
Fandango. Fandango.
Oh.
Don't shine in his eyes, Joe.
I'm not.
Dango.
Alright, bye everyone.